Imagine this. One day, you walk into your workplace, and someone or something is already doing your job. A robot. It works faster than you. It doesn't make mistakes. It doesn't take breaks. And it doesn't ask for a salary. So the question becomes unavoidable. Will robots take our jobs? This is one of the biggest concerns in today's world, because technology is advancing so fast that sometimes we don't even notice the change. In the past, people believed that only physical labor would be replaced. Factory work, repetitive tasks, manual jobs. But today, everything is different. Robots and artificial intelligence are no longer limited to physical work. They are analyzing data, making decisions, even communicating with people. And this is only the beginning. Let's face the truth. Some jobs will disappear. This is inevitable. But here's the real question. Will all jobs disappear? The answer is no. If we look at history, every technological revolution has replaced old jobs, but also created new ones. During the Industrial Revolution, many workers lost their jobs, but at the same time, new roles were created. Engineers, technicians, operators. The same thing is happening today. Robots will take certain jobs, but they will also create new opportunities. The real problem is not technology. The real problem is that most people are not ready for change. They hold on to what they already know. They resist learning new skills. But technology doesn't wait. It moves forward every single day. And if you don't move with it, you get left behind. Now let's look at the other side. What can robots not do? They cannot truly feel. They don't have real empathy. They cannot fully understand complex human emotions. Jobs that require deep human connection, like teaching, psychology, creativity, still depend on people. Humans are also better at solving complex, unpredictable problems, creating new ideas, thinking beyond patterns. So not every job is at risk. The biggest risk lies in jobs that are repetitive and predictable. If your job can be explained step by step, it can likely be automated. And that leads to the most important question. How adaptable are you? If you only have one skill, you are at risk. If you can learn and adapt, you have opportunity. Now imagine a different scenario. You are not competing with robots. You are using them. And suddenly, everything changes. Robots may take some jobs, but they can also make your work easier. They can increase your productivity. They can give you more time to think, create, and grow. So the issue is not robots. The issue is how humans respond to them. Are you ready to change? Are you ready to learn? Or will you stay the same and slowly become irrelevant? Because in the end, it all comes down to a choice. Robots can replace you, or they can empower you. The future does not belong to robots. The future belongs to people who know how to use them. So the final question is, are you one of those people?